Hi there, great you're watching Adobe Symposium 2016. I proudly present to you Thomas Vaarten from AS Adventure and Luc Bomans from IDA Mediafoundry. Guys, at AS Adventure you're putting customers first. What are the implications of putting those customers first?
Putting customer first is for us very crucial part of our strategy. We do it for more than 20 years now, and the major implication that it has today and not in the past is that the customers' needs and the customers' habits are changing very fast. So the needs are leveling up. So the customer wants more, needs more, requests more of a sales team, but also of a customer care team, of a social media team, and so on. Yeah. So our main implication is that we are focusing really on a customer service team from Monday till Sunday reachable.
Yeah, but how do you define the new need of those customers?
How do we define them? It's listening at the headquarters and in the HQ of AS Adventure to the business itself by having meetings with the customer care team every day on a daily basis, but also keep the connection from, for example, the e-commerce team with the sales teams in the stores, in our more than 240 stores, which is very crucial that we still listen to them in a proactive way and not in a reactive way.
Yeah, and can you give us an example of what changed in that need?
What changed in their needs?
Yeah.
The customers need more rapidly a response in a customer care environment, but also they want the ease of choice. They want a range of products more than before, because the competition with other brands, other retailers are leveling up, are higher than before. So we need to reach those goals.
Yeah, let's give the broader view. Yeah. A lot of brick and mortar shops are closing down the doors. Mm-hmm. Instead of AS Adventure. How do you successfully connect the offline world with the online world?
We still believe in retail, and also we still believe in bricks and mortar stores. We are still opening maybe a store each 2 months. So we still believe in the bricks and mortar stores, but what we think is crucial in running and developing an omni-channel strategy is that you should embrace the online business and the offline business and connect it with each other. So we didn't see e-commerce as a threat, but as an opportunity to attain more customers, to get in touch with more customers than when you only have bricks and mortar stores.
So by that you mean you do not have to choose between online and offline?
No, and you cannot push customers to go offline or online. No, the customer needs to decide for itself how they should interact with us as AS Adventure or as Bever, as one of our brands.
Yeah. Mr. Bomans, you've worked with AS Adventure on those new strategy. What was the biggest challenge of working with?
Like Thomas said already, they have a multi-brand strategy. They are present in multiple countries, and we had to build the platform in such a way that it is indeed usable in all these countries, that there is synergy between all those sites, that they have a less effort to bring a new brand online, and think we succeed in that. We have now 9 sites live, and 5 are going to follow in the next 4 or 5 months. So, and in Belgium, the Netherlands, and the UK, and completely different brands with a completely different experience, but always sharing the same platform.
Yeah. Can you describe the relation between brand and agency? What is so special about that?
I think we had from the beginning a common goal, and that is to make AS Adventure more successful in their e-commerce environment, in their experience towards their customers, and that's how we worked in a very good relationship, always on-site inside AS Adventure, so in a very close relationship, and that was very important, and that was also a good choice from AS Adventure, I think, to work in that way.
Yeah, last question. Is the work already done?
No, we started, and that was also a choice of AS Adventure, only by building the good fundamentals with Adobe Experience Manager. But in the meantime, we are together starting to implement a complete Adobe Marketing Cloud solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's also keeping the developments going. So it's not that if you implemented Adobe Experience Manager, for example, that it stopped. It's continuously growing, and we need to develop all those things to keep us innovating and to keep us in front of our competitors.
Yeah, but how do you differentiate of those competitors?
In our omni-channel strategy, but also in our visual experience that we want to offer.
Yeah.
For us, that is very important because in our stores we do pay a lot of attention to the visual experience with the visual merchandising teams and so on. But also in our online business, we want to attain that goal. In our previous websites, they weren't that attractive to our customers in a visual way, and now we want to change that radically and to get a lot of more visuals, more lookbooks, more expertise articles, so we can attire those customers also in a visual way.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Good luck next year.
Thanks.